Ndewono. So let us continue. We stopped at chapter 9 and we are going to be continuing at chapter 10 of what is contained in this book. Gịnị dị n'akwụkwọ a? Gịnị ka anyị nwere n'akwụkwọ eji amụ asụsụ Igbo? Chapter 10, ihe dị n'ụlọ, household items. Chapter 11, ejirimara onwe, anyị mere ejirimara mmadụ. Chapter 12, ahụike, which is our health. We have all the health terminologies. We have sample expressions for state of health. We have some basic health tips in Igbo. Yes, I consulted a lot to work on this book. And chapter 13, well-being. So how do you express your well-being and all of that? We really expanded it in such a way that communication and all the things you need for basic communication in the Igbo language, you will have that. Chapter 14, ihe a na-eme kwa ụbọchị, daily routine. So anyị mere ihe a na-eme n'ụtụtụ, ihe a na-eme n'ehihie, ihe a na-eme n'abalị maọbụ na mgbede. Okay, so the things you do. Chapter 15, we have njem, nkebi okwu maka njem, ajụjụ maka njem. Then chapter 16, anyị mere mkparịta ụka. So how do you have basic conversations? Chapter 17, we have nature and weather. Okwu basara ọdịdị ụwa. We have that. Chapter 18, ụmụ anụmanụ, of course. So anụmanụ ụlọ, anụmanụ mmiri, anụmanụ ọhịa. So we did both domestic, wild, birds, aquatic. Okay, maka ndị na-asị na ọ bụ ọdụm bụ leopard and agụ bụ lion. Yes, there are still people that argue it. Agụ bụ leopard, ọdụm is lion in the Igbo language, not the other way around. Okay. Chapter 19, erimeri ndị Igbo. We have food and delicacies. We have ofe, ụtara, and erimeri ndị ọzọ. Mkpụrụ grains, mkpụrụ osisi fruits, ngwa nri, akwụkwọ nri, ihe oriri ndị ọzọ. So we talked about all Igbo delicacies. There are still more because we have so many, even to our different communities that cannot be continued. So we just touched on the general ones. Okay. Nka na ọrụ aka, we did professions and enterprise. Nka azụmahịa, ọrụ na ihe ndị ọzọ. Chapter 21, agụmagụ, literature. And you would like this part because for me, this is my best part. It's very interesting. Chapter 22, we have atụmatụ okwu, figures of speech. 23, we have agwụgwa, riddles. 24, we have okwu ntọhie maọbụ okwu ntabi ire, which is tongue twisters. Chapter 24 is where part 1 ended. So now we are going to be moving to part 2. So the part 1 is the longest in this book, I would say. Part 1 is the basic. Part 2 is the grammar or the mechanics. Part 3 becomes the culture. So that was how I divided this book. And each part is fully equipped. And then we move to part 2.